Transformers videos part 4. Today we will be seeing the function and working of Buchholz relay. We are going to see Buchholz relay. It is available here in the transformer. So we will be seeing where is the location of the Buchholz relay. So let us say this is the conservator tank and this is the transformer main tank. In between both the things, that is the location of Buchholz relay. So the Buchholz relay is located in between that of conservator and main tank. In the previous slide also we'll be able to see where is that item. So this area we are telling is the main tank and this is the conservator tank. In between that this Buchholz relay is connected. And this is the physical appearance of a Buchholz relay almost. Depending on the capacity it may vary small. Now this is the construction. Let us see what are the items available. Actually there are two switches, we can say there are two contacts available. First contact is here and second contact is available here. Let us say what contacts all are these things. This first make contact for gas release. Let us explain what is make contact for gas release. You can consider this as a contact like this, normally open. Okay, and this is connected to the wires, and here it is available like this, and here some liquid will be given. I hope you are getting the idea. What is happening is we are having contact and let us say inside the bottle type item here available a conducting liquid is available. Okay, so this is the construction of contact. Inside is the float. Inside the chamber, in this chamber it is conducting liquid. So you can see only one contact is immersed in the liquid and other is kept away if it is like this. So we can say at this condition the contact here it is open. Okay, it is open. When the liquid it is contacting like this, in some case if it is making contact, what happens, this contact will be circuit will be completed and this will be acting as a short. So this is the basic idea. This is the one contact available and this is the second contactable, and first item it is for gas release and second item contact it is for short circuit. Both are having contact points and this mercury contacts, it is known as mercury contact. Mercury is inside this bottle shape item. It is mercury here and mercury here also mercury. So in particular in this condition in figure it will be not contacting, but when this is moving downwards or when this is moving down rightwards, this will be making contact. When this is making contact, we can say here it is getting closed, here also it is getting closed. So these contacts when they are getting closed, that is the working of Buchholz relay. So in the first area we will be telling it as gas release. How it is working we will be telling, and short circuit contact is like this. From the name we can say when some gas is released within the transformer this will operate, and when short circuit is in the transformer this will operate. What is meant by operation, that will be seen later. Now this is first and second, a third, this is the float. So how many floats are there? So this is one float available here. Okay, so this is the float point we can say, and similarly a block point like a plate also will be available here. The functions of both the things are almost same. And the mercury contact you already told, this is the physical mercury contact. Mercury contact you can see liquid mercury is available here and physical metal are available. Normally they are not closed, and they will be closed under some condition. That condition we will be seeing. And next is gases. Fifth one, it is gases available in this free space. Normally gases may be less, but due to some conditions gases will be filled here. When that gas filling is happening, that will be telling later. And next is go to the transformer oil tank 6. So you can see this is the way going to the transformer tank. So the transformer main tank is in the bottom part, and transformer oil is connected, book oil is connected from that, and it is going to the conservator tank upwards. So here the conservator tank in the top part, and here in the bottom part transformer main tank. In between book oil is available. So this is the physical construction of a Buchholz relay. So the Buchholz relay will be giving you two conditions of operation. One condition is under gas formation, and second condition under short circuits. What is happening under gas formation? These mercury contacts, these contacts will be shorted through mercury like that. You can say now it is contacted. Under normal condition it is like this. Only one contact may be in contact, and under some condition it will be creating contact with the second contact also. So this is contact getting closed, and similarly this is second point. This point is not connected contacting with the second part. It is independent. The circuit is open now, but under short circuits and all, under some condition this will be closed. How it is closed, that will be told in the operation part. So this is the construction of Buchholz relay. Two mercury float switches are available, one here and one here. Two mercury weighted contacts, and one is for alarm contact. We can say alarm contact. Generally the gas related item, it is known as alarm contact. Alarm contact meaning is that you may be having some alarm available here, and that will be connected in series to these coils. Okay, so if you are having operating voltage here, what happens? Some voltage is there, and you assume that is the alarm, and the circuit when it is closed, the alarm will work. So that is known as alarm contact. And next is trip contact. It is for short circuit fault. So this is the short circuit fault contact. Only thing, this area will be closed. Now we are going to discuss about the working of that item. So you can see the picture. This is the main oil transformer, main tank of the transformer, and this is the conservator. In between our Buchholz relay is available. So from main tank to the Buchholz relay, through the Buchholz relay it is going to the conservator. Under normal conditions, both the coil contacts are open. You can see under normal condition both mercury switch are not making contact. You can see also here the mercury liquid is floating like this, and it is not making any contact to the both wires. It is separate now. Now the first condition, you can say under some minor fault, some minor overload, overheating it is happening, then inside the main tank the gas, basically transformer oil is there. Transformer oil will be converted into small amount of gas. Gas will be liberated like this. You can see gas bubbles are coming from the main tank. From the main tank gas bubbles are coming, and this gas bubbles will be collected here. After a particular amount of gas, it will be having a small pressure building up here. Gas pressure building up will be here, and due to that pressure building of gas, what happens? This contact will be going down due to the gas coming in this way, and this is the float. It will be try to pull down. When this is pulled down, what happens? These contacts will be getting short through the mercury, and when it is happening, it is creating alarm. So this is alarm circuit of the Buchholz relay. That's the first condition. So this is minor fault, we can say. If small overloads are there, small overheating is there, it will be working. And under excessive pressure, we'll be able to open up this pressure device, and get the gases here, and we can collect gases. And by getting the gases, we can it is known as dissolved gas. The dissolved gas can be analyzed. Dissolved gases can be tested. It is known as dissolved gas analysis unit. And by analyzing the dissolved gas, the type of problem can be found out. Dissolved gas analysis. And this is the first problem for minor problems. And if it is a major problem or short circuit, heavy short circuit suddenly in the transformer, it will create a very high temperature inside the windings. Due to the heavy windings, it will be creating a heavy amount of oil movement from the transformer to the conservator tank suddenly, because of the expansion of the oil, because of this short circuit and related heavy expansion of the oil. It will be suddenly thrusting to the conservator tank. तो उसके वजह से क्या होगा, ये ज़्यादा ट्रांसफार्मर ऑयल इसी पास आए तो ये फ्लोट नीचे आएगा, ठीक है। तो ब्लॉक रहेगा, सडनली मूव किए तो ये मूव करेगा, तो क्या होगा, ये मर्क्यूरी कॉन्टैक्ट क्लोज होगा। ये जब एक क्लोज होता है, ट्रिप सर्क्यूट काम करेगा। सो दिस इज द वर्किंग ऑफ ट्रिप सर्क्यूट। सो the Buchholz is happening working in two conditions: alarm contact for small faults and a trip contact for bigger short circuit like faults. And we can see the picture like this. This is the normal Buchholz relay with two open contact, normally open contact, okay, and it is working with respect to the float valve. So one float valve is working and it is shown as 3-4. The other float valve is shown as 1 and 2. It can be either alarm contact or trip contact. So this need not be the single part. We can give additional also. You can see its circuit diagram like this. Alarm and trip both are normally open contact. The present condition whatever discussed previously, it is normally open contact. जो अभी डिस्कस किया ये बुकहोल्स रिले का नॉर्मली ओपन कॉन्टैक्ट रहता है, वही सिंपल बुकहोल्स रिले का कंस्ट्रक्शन। अभी सेम कंडीशन में हमको क्या कर सकता है, चेंज ओवर कॉन्टैक्ट बना सकता है। चेंज ओवर का कॉन्टैक्ट का मतलब ये है, अलार्म में आपके लिए 3 कॉन्टैक्ट्स रहेगा और 1 NC बनेगा और ट्रिप कॉन्टैक्ट में भी एक NC बनेगा। तो आपके लिए वायरिंग जो भी काम के लिए कर सकता है, ट्रिप कॉन्टैक्ट में आपको और भी एक कॉन्टैक्ट मिल गया और अलार्म कॉन्टैक्ट में भी आपको एक और contact मिल गया। So the same working only, but you will be having change over contact for the things. And similarly, we'll be able to have additional condition, normally open contact only for trip, open contact for trip, and close contact for alarm. In both cases, it can depending on your requirement. Here only one NO is available, but in this case there are 2 NOs available, one for alarm and one trip. For the trip, there are 2 contacts available. So हमारे लिए ये अंडरस्टैंड करना है, आपका बुकहोल्स रिले वर्किंग ऐसा होता है, उसमें जितना कॉन्टैक्ट चाहिए उसके अनुसार आपको चेंज कर सकता है। तो यही रहा बुकहोल्स रिले का वर्किंग।